Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt out here at Junction City. Beautiful day to show you an amazing trailer. I think you're gonna like it. This is the 2018 Keystone Outback 333 FE. It's got a really cool floor plan. One of the things that's really unique and wonderful about this particular layout is that it's a front living. You don't see this very often, and you have a nice big window up here that you can look out in. It's got a shade for privacy, and then this right here is a 50-inch TV that automatically will just pop right up with the press of a button. Really neat, and you can see that TV beautifully from this whole front living area here. Nice conversation area, a great place for everybody to watch movies and have a good time. I gotta tell you, this has got Thomas Paine furniture. It's some of the most comfortable furniture that you'll sit in. You'll actually probably would rather sit in here than you would at home. These all recline. You've got little extra place for remotes and things like this, drink holders, and this is actually a bed that pops right out, so you can sleep extra people in here if you've got someone extra that you need to sleep. You've got a nice wonderful dinette here as well. Very open concept, really a lot of space. Big farmhouse sink right in here. One of the things that I really love about this trailer also is you'll notice that the ceiling is arced. So the snow will melt, the water will run off, you don't have anything sitting on top, any water sitting on top puddling. And on top of all of that, it gives you a sense of spaciousness inside this room, which is great. One of the other things that we really love about this is all the time people are saying, hey, I want to have a trailer with a lot of storage. Well, this trailer gives you tons of storage. If you take a look right here, you've got this nice, beautiful little pantry space right here for things that you'd need to get to quickly for cooking. You've also got storage space down below. But this is what I like. Look at this pantry. Is that amazing or what? You've got all this space to put things in. You can store a lot of food. You've got storage down inside here and up here as well. Lots and lots of space. You could be gone for a few weeks and have no problems whatsoever. 3-burner cook stove, you've got an oven, a microwave, nice big fridge and freezer. Everything you want in this nice beautiful kitchen. Look back over here, even more storage in this corner. So you got a place that you can put all kinds of things. I'm sure you can find things to go in there. Might make a nice linen closet for the bathroom. And the bathroom is accessible from the front of the coach right here. And you'll notice it's got a beautiful glass surround shower. Lots of room with a skylight. See that? It's pretty awesome. You've got a nice medicine cabinet and sink. And entrance right into a beautiful master bedroom. And if you notice in this bedroom, it is on a slide, so it gives you more room. You've got dressers here, cupboard space, place to place your hanging things, more dresser space. Lots of room for clothes, lots of room for everything that you would need to take with you. Even the bed, it'll pop a wheelie right there, and notice it's on hydraulics, and you've got all of this space that you can use. You can put extra clothes, duffel bags, blankets, pillows, whatever you would need in there. This is tons of storage. There's a bunch of features outside I want to show you too. So let's pop out this private door from the bedroom. So this particular rig is outfitted with frameless windows. They're very trendy and beautiful. It's got a little outdoor kitchen with a sink and a cook stove, so that's nice and handy for you. And one of the things that I am most excited about, that I really love about this trailer, is the 7.3 leveling system. Right here, it gives you a little graphic that you can see about the leveling system. And basically what that means is you can press one button and the whole thing will level for you automatically, put your stab jacks down for you. No more cranking, no more leveling boards, none of that stuff. It does it all for you. Really super great. This also has a heated and insulated underbelly for cold weather camping, so it's good for 4 seasons. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this trailer. Here's your leveling system. 2 big tanks. It's solar ready, there's storage on board, all sorts of more extras. I would love to show you this in person. I know that when you walk in, you're just gonna absolutely love it. And we've got other models, other floor plans in this same basic trailer to show you. So if it's a little too long for you, we've got something perfect. So come on out and see me. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878.